Here we will write a Python program to check given year is a leap year or not using function. So first we will open the IDE, then we will add new file, and in comment line we will write program description. Since we are executing this using function, first we will define function with def keyword. So def find leap year, and we will use one parameter in which we are going to pass the value. Then we will check whether entered year is leap year or not. For this we will use if function. So if yr mod 4 equals 0, we will print given year is leap year, comma yr. Else we will print given year is not leap year. Then to execute this function, we will accept the year from the user. So in y we will accept it. So y equal to int input enter year to check, and then we will call the function find leap year, and we will pass y as a parameter. Then we will save this function leap year, and we will execute this. It will ask year to check. I will give 2023. It will print given year is not leap year. I will again execute this, and I will give 2024. It will print given year is leap year.